Good afternoon everyone, my name is Navin Agarwal and I am based out of Pune, India. This is my introduction video along with the purpose of starting this channel. So I cleared my 10th in 2008. After that I started working as a part-time dealer for my father's share market business, where I used to execute trades for clients on a daily basis. That is how I first got involved into equities and overall markets. Fast forward to 2014, I cleared my chartered accountancy exam in May 2014. And that's when I became a chartered accountant. After that I have started working in Citibank in November 2014, and the first role I had was operations role for corporate clients, where I was involved for doing transactions for corporate clients of Citibank. In 2016, me along with my couple of friends started pursuing CFA. CFA is a US based course primarily focused on equities and portfolio management, the full form being Chartered Financial Analyst. I still remember how tough it was to enroll for it, but it was necessary because I wanted to keep on learning and pursuing another professional degree along with my job. In 2017, Citibank has a fantastic option of internal mobility. So I could switch from a corporate operations role to a retail sales role. I voluntarily changed my work from operations to sales, from corporate to retail, and this was into wealth management now, where we are assigned a book of 200 to 250 investors, and we have to take care of their portfolios, meet them regularly and manage across the various product lines of investments, insurance and alternative portfolios. In 2018, I cleared my third level of CFA in August 2018, and in 3 months later in January 2019, then I got my CFA chart holder degree after 4 years of work experience in Citibank. So during that time I had already finished a year plus in wealth management role in Citi. In January 2020, I got promoted also in wealth management role. But in Feb 2020, on precisely to be 6th Feb, I quit. I resigned from Citibank from my wealth management role, and my last working day happened to be 31st March 2020. It was overall a fantastic 5.5 years of experience in Citibank. I could not have asked for anything else, and if I'm given a chance, I repeat the same journey again, because it has taught me a lot of things which I will cover in subsequent videos. After quitting Citi, I started my own wealth management firm in the name of Glory Prime Wealth Private Limited. The objective was to give more personalized services to investors so that we can cater to more and more services and different product lines across investors. I worked out of home for the first 1.5 years primarily because of COVID. In August 2021, when we reached to roughly around 30 crores AUM, AUM is basically asset under management. So in August 2021, we crossed around 30 crores of AUM. That was how much money was invested through me across 100 plus investors at that point of time. We started an office of around 150 square feet and hired a couple of employees after that. By March 2023, which is 3 years into my business, we had 5 full-time team members, and we moved to a bigger space of roughly 600 square feet based out of Rawat itself. At that time our AUM was around 65-70 crores. Fast forward to June 2025, that was a landmark moment for us because we had crossed 200 crores in AUM in June 2025, which was roughly 5 years and 3 months into the business, and it was a huge achievement across these 5 years. In October 2025, that is when the big decision happened. We were at an AUM of 220 crores with 8 full-time team members and across 800 plus investors. That time I decided to exit wealth management business and sold it to a different wealth management company. The primary reason being I was not enjoying the day-to-day routine or day-to-day work after a point of time, and I thought it is best that people who are more motivated and more willing to continue the business carry forward it. This decision was very critical, but I feel I was very lucky enough to have this option to sell the business, and because of this decision I was able to achieve my financial freedom 4 months ago. And that is how now I am into a transition role where I am assisting team members and clients in the transition period, but primarily I am not involved in the business on a day-to-day basis. So the purpose of this channel is that I assist millions of people in achieving financial freedom. That is what somewhere everyone craves it down the line. That is why we sacrifice our time with maybe family, friends, our children, our elders, so that we can achieve a decent enough wealth and the freedom that might come with it. In my decade plus experience of practical work and my educational of CA and CFA degrees, I have achieved the theoretical knowledge and the practical knowledge in Citi as well as while building Glory. This has led to me meeting over 1,000 plus investors everyone behaves differently in every situation. Everybody is brought up differently, everyone's behavior is different, and that is why financial freedom is very personal in nature and very subjective. Through this channel, we will be sharing practical insights of what is happening in the industry today, in the markets, and also behavioral insights on how you should be thinking about overall your wealth and overall financial freedom. Stay tuned for more and more updates on this channel, but the objective and the only purpose is that you can achieve financial freedom. Trust me, if I can achieve at this age, in spite of not being a very good co-worker in the very beginning of my career, but if I can achieve it, then almost all of you can achieve it. Just that we need to fine tune a lot of insights on portfolios, markets, and how everyone behaves in different situations. So thank you so much. I will see you all very soon. Thank you.